happy to be back again. I greet you big and small, for there's no place else on earth just like the homes of Donegal. I always see the happy faces smiling at the door, and the kettle swinging on the crook as I step off the floor. And sure soon the teapot's filling up, make up that's far from small, for your hearts are like mountains in the homes of Donegal. I long to sit along with you and while away the night with tales of yore and fairy lore beside your fire so bright, and then to see prepared for me a shake down by the wall. There's repose for weary wanderers in the homes of Donegal. Now the time has come and I must go. I bid you all adieu. The open highway calls me forth to do the things I do, and sure when I'm tramping on my way, I'll hear your voices call, and please God I'll soon return to the homes of Donegal.